stick, isn't it?
No.
So 7 sticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sticks. Okay, now I give you back 7 sticks. See? How many sticks?
Stick.
How many sticks?
1.
Put over here. How many sticks are there?
1,
1,
2,
2, okay, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
8. Okay, so 8 sticks, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sticks. So 9. So 2. How many sticks?
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5, 5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
hmm?
9.
So 9 sticks. 9 sticks, isn't it? 9 sticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sticks. So now it's 10. How many sticks?
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10. So how many sticks?